In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the page number from any specific page in Google Docs. This can be particularly useful if you have a title page or table of contents and you want to start numbering from a different page. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Make sure the document you've opened has the pages organized the way you want them. Now, navigate to the page from which you want to remove the page number. This could be your cover page, a content section, or any particular page where you feel the page number is unnecessary. Once you're on the desired page, click on the page number. Google Docs places these page numbers either in the header or the footer by default, so if your number isn't in the header, scroll to the footer section instead. When you click the number, it will be highlighted, and you should see options for formatting or other related features. Now, you need to separate this page from the rest of the document so that it can have unique page number formatting. To do this, go to the Insert menu at the top and select Break, then choose Section Break, Next Page. Doing this essentially makes this page a new section on its own in the document, allowing you to apply different formatting styles. After subdividing your document, go back to the page number on the page you wish to modify. Now, right-click on the page number. This will display a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option Different First Page or Start At and type 0 into the box indicating page number. This will remove the page number from the first page of this current section, which might be the cover page or another predetermined page. If you find numbers reappearing, this is because Google Docs links page numbers across sections by default. In this case, you must disable the link to previous option, which ensures that the section retains its unique formatting. You can find this option in the right-click menu or by double-clicking the header or footer section. Finally, to give your document a more polished look, go to Format on the menu bar, click Page Numbers, and confirm everything appears as intended, especially if you're applying this process to multiple pages. Check the preview to verify that only the necessary pages continue to display numbers and the specific pages you wanted free of numbers indeed are. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can remove page numbers from any desired page in your Google Docs document, giving you the flexibility to customize your document exactly how you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.